Have you ever wondered why homemade chili is one of America's favorite comfort foods? A bowl of rich, hearty chili is perfect for family dinners, game nights, or cold evenings. Today I'll show you how to make an easy homemade beef chili that's packed with flavor and surprisingly simple to prepare. Stay until the end because I'll also share professional tips that can make your chili taste even better. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're making an easy homemade chili recipe that's perfect for beginners. This recipe uses simple ingredients you can easily find at your local grocery store, and the result is a thick, flavorful chili your whole family will enjoy. For today's recipe you'll need ground beef, onion, garlic, and olive oil. We'll also use kidney beans, diced tomatoes, tomato paste, and beef broth. For seasonings, gather chili powder, paprika, cumin, oregano, black pepper, salt, and a little brown sugar for balance. Don't forget the toppings. Optional favorites include shredded cheddar cheese, sour cream, chopped green onions, and fresh parsley. Having these ready will make the final presentation look and taste amazing. Before we start cooking, let's prepare the tools. You'll need a large cooking pot or Dutch oven, a wooden spoon, measuring spoons, a sharp knife, and a cutting board. Preparing everything before you begin makes the entire process much more enjoyable. Start by peeling and finely chopping the onion. Next, mince the garlic into very small pieces. Fresh onions and garlic create the rich base flavor that makes homemade chili taste so much better than the canned versions. Heat olive oil over medium heat in your pot. Add the ground beef and cook until it's nicely browned. Break the meat into small pieces as it cooks. Proper browning develops deep flavor that makes the chili much richer. Once the beef is browned, add the chopped onion and garlic. Stir everything together and cook until the onion becomes soft and slightly translucent. The kitchen will already start smelling amazing at this stage. Now let's build the flavor. Add chili powder, paprika, cumin, oregano, black pepper, and salt. Stir continuously for about 1 minute. Toasting the spices helps release their natural oils and gives the chili a deeper, more authentic flavor. Next, add the diced tomatoes, tomato paste, and beef broth. Stir everything well until the tomato paste completely dissolves into the liquid. You'll see the mixture begin to develop its signature rich red color. Drain and rinse the kidney beans before adding them to the pot. Stir gently so the beans stay whole. They add great texture and fiber, making the chili much more filling and satisfying. Reduce the heat and let the chili simmer slowly. This is one of the most important steps because slow cooking allows all the flavors to blend together beautifully. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent any sticking at the bottom. Here's a simple secret many home cooks don't know: add just a small amount of brown sugar. It doesn't make the chili sweet, instead, it balances the acidity of the tomatoes and creates a smoother, richer flavor profile. One common mistake is using too much liquid. Chili should be thick, not watery. Another mistake is rushing the cooking time. The longer it gently simmers, the better it tastes. Also avoid adding too much salt early because the flavors become stronger as it cooks. This recipe is very easy to customize. You can use ground turkey instead of beef, add black beans instead of kidney beans, or make it extra spicy with fresh jalapenos or a dash of cayenne pepper. Homemade chili is packed with protein from the beef, fiber from the beans, and vitamins from the tomatoes and onions. It's a satisfying meal that keeps you feeling full for longer while providing great nutritional value. Serve the chili with rice, cornbread, baked potatoes, or even tortilla chips. Top each bowl with shredded cheese, sour cream, and green onions for a restaurant-quality presentation right at home. Allow the chili to cool completely before storing it in airtight containers. It stays fresh in the refrigerator for several days and freezes beautifully. Many people believe chili actually tastes even better the next day as the flavors continue to develop. Look at this beautiful homemade chili. It is thick, rich, colorful, and packed with delicious ingredients. Every spoonful is loaded with comforting flavors and tender beef. It's the kind of meal everyone looks forward to sharing. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this easy homemade chili recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Let us know in the comments how you like to serve your chili, and we'll see you in the next recipe.